So this is the next exercise 15.3 that is based on ASA criteria, that is angle, side, angle criteria, and one more criteria AAS, that is angle, side. Okay, so our first question from this exercise is, so here we have to prove these two triangles concurrent. So how will you prove it? Here you have to use this criteria. Here in these two triangles, in triangle PQS and triangle QRS, PQS and QRS, so these two triangles, if we see this is 45, this is 45 degree, that is angle PQS is equals to angle QSR, both are 45 degree. Then angle PSQ is 30 and this is 30. Angle PSQ is equals to, and then SQR, both are 30 degree. These two are given. And if we see that QS side is in this triangle and this triangle, both the triangles, this complete side QS, so QS is equals to QS, this is common. Okay, these two sides are common. Okay, this is a common side, QS and QS. So I've got the three things, and there is a criteria SAS. There is an angle, then a side in side of it, and then a side. So we have taken these three things. Okay, so these two triangles are concurrent by SAS. Now we need that correspondence. So here, if we see this Q angle is equals to angle S. Okay, Q is equals to S, both are 45 degree. Then this S is equals to Q, these are 30 degree. Okay, and then this QS is equals to QS, common side in front of QS is P and side in front of QS is R. So this is our correspondence. Okay, this is by ASA criteria. Okay, this is the next question here, in which it says that AB and PQ are intersecting each other, and this is given perpendicular. AP is perpendicular to AB and BQ is perpendicular to AB. That is angle A is equals to angle B, as here AP perpendicular to AB and BQ perpendicular to AB. Okay, this was given, so I have taken both the angles as 90 degree. Perpendicular means at 90 degree. And here AO equals to OB, this is given. Okay, and what next? Next is, if you see these two angle AOP is equals to angle BOQ. Okay, why they are equal? Because they are vertically opposite. When two lines cut each other, then opposite angles are equal. These are vertically opposite angles. Okay, so these 3 points are equal. Now if we write the correspondence of it, here A is equals to D. Here A and B are equal. This angle O and angle O is equal. And then this P and Q are equal. Okay. Now if we see, we have taken this angle, this side and this angle. Here this angle, this side and this angle. This is angle side angle. By angle side angle criteria. Okay, so these two triangles are congruent by ASA criteria. Now we have to see that whether AP is equals to BQ. If we see that AP and BQ are at the last corner and corner part, means they are at the same places. So AP is equals to BQ by CP CT. Okay, so these 2 points are also equal. Okay, so here we have to prove that ABC is triangle congruent to BCD. Sorry, ADC. ABC is equals to ADC. We have to prove these two triangles equal, and here this single and double are given equal. Okay, here angle BAC is given equals to angle DAC. This is given, and this double angle BCA is given equals to DCA. These two are given. Okay, and if we see in both the triangle, this AC line is common in both the triangles. This AC equals to AC common. Okay, we have got three things. This is given and these two are common. So now we have to prove ABC is equals to ACD. If we see here, this angle A is equals to this angle A. Okay, this A and A are equal. Okay, and then this AC and AC was equal. So side in front of AC is B. This AC is D. What we are left with? This C is equals to C. Okay, these two things are equal by angle, then a side, then a angle side angle. Here angle side angle. Okay. Okay, so we have got the third thing as well by SAS criteria. Now we have to see whether BC is equals to DC. These are the last 2 points. Last two are at the same places. So BC is equals to DC. Okay, by CP CT. So we have got our this point also. So here ends up your third exercise.